Welcome back, everyone. Believe it or not, the Apple Watch Series 7 just came out, and I actually got my hands on it, which is so crazy. I was not expecting to get my hands on it. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Now, I've owned every Apple Watch, and I like these Apple Watches a lot. Now, the unboxing process is very interesting. All you have to do is go and slide these things up like this. You can do the same exact thing on this side as well, just like so. Lift this up, and then you will basically have the Apple Watch right here. Now, typically what you can do is go ahead and lift them this way, and the Apple Watch will then be right in the middle of everything. Now, at this point, we can go ahead and lift this portion up, and within this, half box, we will have the Apple Watch. Underneath it, we will have the bands. So we'll go ahead and unbox the bands in a second. We'll go ahead and put this away. Now, within the actual box of the Apple Watch, we can go ahead and lift the top portion up. Now, with the bottom portion of the Apple Watch, we can go ahead and tear off the bottom parts. So we can go and tear off this specific portion, and we can go and take off this specific portion to the right, and we will have these section in the middle. So now what we can do is put this back in the top, which is this way, and we can go ahead and lift up the top right here. And once we actually take the top portion up, you will see that right here, there's nothing in the top of the box right here, but we will have the Apple Watch right here, as well as some extra little information right here, which is so cool. So a little pamphlet, Apple Watch, whatever, you guys get the gist. Now we have the actual Apple Watch right here. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So within this specific portion, if we go ahead and take off the top, so we'll go and lift off right here, you can see that the actual case itself isn't really that, cheap. It's pretty much plastic. It feels cheaper than last year's, which is very interesting. Now you have the actual Apple Watch right here. Now we have the actual Apple Watch right here. Now this is the smaller model. So as always, we can click down on the power button and we can go ahead and power up this bad boy. And this thing does have the S7 chip inside of it. So it is actually a newer chipset than the Series 6, which is interesting. We didn't think it was going to be a newer chipset. So we'll go ahead and put this to the side. Now within this specific portion, we actually do have the charging cable, but we do not have a charging brick. So keep that in mind. If you actually do plan on, having a charging brick, you may actually have to purchase another one. And within here, we can go and take off this specific little portion, which I guess is something like this. I don't even know. There we go, something like that. And it is USB Type-C. So keep that in mind. You will have to have a USB Type-C charging brick. And I heard this thing is now aluminum, and it actually does feel pretty expensive, much similar to the MagSafe that I've heard about. Now the Apple Watch is actually booted up. But let's go ahead and unbox the band. So it's the same as I think at the bottom. We have a sticker that we can go ahead and peel off. In here, we can go and take off the whole entire band. And internally, we have another sticker or a little paper that we can go ahead and kind of toss around. Then we have the actual band itself. So we can go and unbox this band right here. And we can go ahead and set up the rest. And within the little band box, you can see we have the actual band itself. Two different sizes. So we can either choose this smaller size band or this bigger size band if you like. And that's really pretty much the whole entire unboxing experience. And that's pretty much the whole entire unboxing experience. So again, a lot of cool stuff. They don't have the charging brick, but you still have the Apple Watch itself, which is amazing. And in first glance, I still have to set everything up, but it still looks to be very similar to the Series 6. I have a Series 4 right here. And although, I've heard that the screen is now much, bigger and all that stuff, I will probably have to set it up in order to get a better idea of it. But it still looks very good. The back looks very premium. I'll have full reviews and comparisons and all that stuff out very soon. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.